put the prep on the spray bottle. So I can get all dirt out and grease. It's a great product from Eastwood. If you don't want to get overspray, cover all your tools and collectibles, this is definitely the best epoxy I can recommend for the RX3. I go 101. Once you start doing small areas, you'll know how much you need. I believe this quarter is going to be 3 to 3. Here's the Optiflow. Optiflow. Looks like it's very liquidy, but it is at the beginning. On the second coat, it's definitely going to be way better. Start from the top. Don't worry about the runs for now. Little by little, they'll come out. Just overlap it. Don't push on the roller. Go slow. And it will flow out very nicely. Just a couple of little rolls and the primer. And roll back to where you came. Nice.
Aren't you putting music?
I'm recording.
I know, but you're not gonna put music in the background?
I don't put music.
Oh, my bad.
Here is the first coat. Came out pretty good. Just waiting for it to be a little bit more tacky. Gotta wait about 15 minutes or so, depends on the weather. So I can give it a second coat. And I'll be ready. I rolled that up with the same product from Eastwood. This part, that part. I'll let someone else do that. You can tell that was not me. So I gotta grind it down and redo it. And did the trunk lid as well. Oh, there you go. That's proof. That's the way it should be when you're cleaning and prepping the surface. Keep wiping it down until a napkin comes very clean. Prepping is the key for adhesion. But I love this product. No overspray, no covering. I gotta take that window off, that rubber, and the door handle when I get to that trim, the seals, so I can grind it and do the same thing. The car should be about 50% complete because I still gotta do the inside, all inside, trunk lid, then lift the car up and epoxy the bottom. So I had some fabrication done for them rust. I did some, they did some, there's still some needed to be done, but I guess all those holes are from a previous repair and they just put Bondo over it. I don't know why those holes should be there, but I guess they're probably from a repair. I don't think it's from a trim. Oh well. It's coming along. This is a second coat. After you roll, you can back roll or whatever you call it, so you can get a smoother, less bumps and roll marks in it. It's already tacky. I waited about 15 minutes. It flows really nice. You gotta remember, still gotta do some fabrication and body work, Bondo. But this panel, for being a 1974, it is not bad. Thought it was worse. See how it flows? Pretty good. Because it's tacky, so it doesn't run off as much. Anybody could do this. You don't need to take it to any shop. Those little marks are from the foam roller that I had, and it disintegrated in there. Well, not that much, but you know what I mean. I'll take that off in a little bit. Don't rush it. This is the nice part of it. You can go at your pace. I like to go back and forth. I like the little bit of texture. I don't know why. Keep forgetting to take that out. I'm gonna take that out. Don't jump around like I do. Best part about that epoxy roll-on primer, push it away, park your other car in and not have to worry about overspray.